Major snowstorm disrupts life across the United States. Welcome to Tidy Scoop News. I'm your host, Countess Today. If you are new to our network, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Every view counts, and without you, we are nothing. So here's the scoop. Well, millions of Americans are being affected as a powerful winter storm system sweeps across the United States. The storm has drawn responses from state governors, emergency management agencies, transportation departments, utility companies, and meteorologists who are urging residents to prepare and limit travel. A large multi-day snowstorm is bringing heavy snowfall, dangerous ice accumulation, strong winds, and extreme cold to wide portions of the country. The storm is causing road closures, flight cancellations, school shutdowns, power outages, and hazardous travel conditions across several regions. This storm began developing earlier this week and is intensifying as it moves eastward. Forecasts indicate that the most severe conditions are expected over the next 24 to 72 hours, with lingering impacts such as icy roads and freezing temperatures continuing even after snowfall ends. The storm is impacting multiple regions, including the Midwest, with heavy snow and whiteout conditions, the Great Plains, experiencing blizzard-like winds, parts of the South, where ice and freezing rain are creating dangerous road conditions, Northeast, which is expected to receive significant snowfall as the system moves east, major cities, rural communities, and interstate travel corridors are all affected, increasing the risk of widespread disruptions. This snowstorm is the result of a strong collision between a surge of cold Arctic air pushing south from Canada, warm moisture-rich air rising from the Gulf of Mexico. When these two air masses meet, they create powerful winter storms capable of producing heavy snow, ice, and severe cold. Climate experts note that such extreme weather patterns are becoming more frequent due to increased atmospheric instability. The storm system strengthens as warm air is forced upward over cold air at ground level, causing moisture to freeze and fall as snow or ice. Strong jet stream dynamics are fueling rapid intensification, leading to heavy snowfall, rates of 1 to 3 inches per hour, in some areas ice buildup that weighs down power lines and trees, gusty winds that reduce visibility and create blizzards conditions. Emergency crews are working around the clock to clear roads, restore power, and assist standard motorists. What residents should do? Officials recommend avoid unnecessary travel. Stock emergency supplies, be it food, water, flashlights, batteries. Keep phones charged and vehicles fueled. Monitoring local weather alerts and advisories. We'll continue to monitor the situation and bring you updates as they develop. That's the scoop for now. Please stay safe, stay informed, and this is Tidy Scoop News.